The law, as I was saying, it simply compels the government to take care of autistic children in their counties. Number one, mtoto ambao wako 7 years and below belongs to the county government. Kwa sababu huyo anaenda ECD. ECD ni a county government. So we discuss with the professional, and I have involved so many professionals in this bill, and kwa sababu hizi darasa. One of them is Mr. Guru, the chairman of Deviki. He's a civil engineer. He's an engineer. Mukali sana. Another one is we involved is American experts, Autism Rights Incorporation. Tuka involve 47 counties, tukaleta MCAs from each ward to Naivasha for retreat. So we were educated about it. So the law simply say the county government shall build these classrooms for these autistic children, put their ABA therapy services, at least a therapist to take care of these children. Mwalimu watatu. Kwanza, kama ni job creation Nyambura, kama ni job creation, already that motion itself in Nairobi, it may create job. Kwa sababu hiyo darasa moja ina require at least 2 to 3 professionals. That's job creation already. So kama sheria imeshaambia county government ifanye hivyo, inafaa kuwa imefanya hivyo. 2029 Governor Sonko was during Governor Sonko tenure, Nairobi was giving autistic children 10 million every year. 10 million. And then we asked the minister then for health, 10 million. Nairobi has a population of what? How many children in? But as we were complaining, she said, hakuna act yoyote tunaweza kuweka nayo pe. So we created the act, we brought them the act. No. So what is the work of a senator? To make sure the law is followed by the governors, to make sure the oversight is well done, to push, to lobby, you understand? Not to kuruka darama, unajua?